Hello everyone, today we'll be doing the workbook solution for environmental studies for standard 5, chapter number 13, that is shelter high. Firstly, we'll be starting with the MCQs. First one, what is loaner? Answer is option number C, a motorcycle. Second one, through which two states did Gaurav Jani, who had started out from Maharashtra, pass in order to reach Delhi? It's option number B, Gujarat, Rajasthan. Third one, which is the capital of Rajasthan? It is option number A, Jaipur. Fourth one, what was the golden yellow grain drying on Tashi's terrace? It's option number C, corn. Fifth one, which animals do the Changpas rear? It's option number D, sheep, goats. Sixth one, at higher altitudes, which gas in the atmosphere decreases in amount, causing us difficulty in breathing? It's option number C, oxygen. Seventh one, from the long and silky fur of which animal are pashmina shawls made? It's option number B, goat. Eighth one, in what do tourists who come to Srinagar mostly prefer to stay? It's option number C, in a house boat. Now we'll continue with question number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, Gaurav Jani started his journey from Mumbai city. Second one, the Changpas call the cone-shaped tent they live in Rebo. Third one, Tashi's house looked like a stable from inside. Fourth one, in the mountainous regions, the Changpas call the place where sheep and goats are kept as a lekha. Fifth one, the carved designs made on the ceilings of houseboats is known as Khatamband. Sixth one, the place known as Changthang is at a height of 5000 meter above sea level. Seventh one, in Srinagar, old houses have a special type of window which comes out of the wall. It is known as dab. Question number 3, true or false? First one, Gaurav Jani started his journey from Ahmedabad in Gujarat, that is false. Second one, Manali is located in Kashmir, it is false. Third one, there is very heavy rainfall in Ladakh, it is false. Fourth one experiences difficulty in breathing on going to places of higher altitudes in mountainous regions, it is true. Fifth one, the Changpas always move from place to place with their goats and sheep, it is true. Sixth one, the Changpas live in tents most of the time, it is true. Seventh one, most of the people of Srinagar make houses on the lake or the river and live in them, it is false. Now we'll continue with question number 4, match the following. First one is donga, so the answer is option number C, a boat on the water in which one can live. Second one is Rebo. Its answer is option number E, that is the cone-shaped tent of the Changpas. Third one is Dab. Its answer is option number B, windows that come out of walls. And fourth one is Lekha. Its answer is option number A, place where goat sheep are kept. Now we'll continue with question number 5, that is answer in 1 or 2 sentences. First one, which materials are used for making your house? So the answer is cement, bricks, sand, grit, iron and wood have been used to make my house. Second one, from which states would one pass through while traveling from Mumbai to Kashmir? So the answer is from Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab and Himachal Pradesh one would pass through while traveling from Mumbai to Kashmir. Third one, what kind of region is Leh? What is it known as? So the answer is Leh is a high, dry, cold and flat region. It is known as the cold desert. Fourth one, how was Tashi's house? So the answer is Tashi's house was a building with 2 floors and it was made of stones. The walls were coated with a thick layer of mud and lime. Fifth one, what do the Changpas get from goats and sheep? So the answer is the Changpas get milk, meat, skin to make tents and wool to make sweaters and coats from goats and sheep. Sixth one, what do the Changpas use to ride and for carrying goods? So the answer is the Changpas use horses and yaks to ride and for carrying goods. Seventh one, what is a lekha? So the answer is the Changpas call the place where they keep their sheep and goats as lekha. The walls of a lekha are made with stones. Eighth one, what unique experience did Gaurav Jani have in Leh and Srinagar? So the answer is Gaurav Jani had a unique experience of staying in the mountains in Leh and of staying in a houseboat on water in Srinagar. Ninth one is Manali a plain or a hilly area? In which state is it located? So the answer is Manali is a hilly area. It is located in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Now we'll continue with question number 6, that is answer the following questions. First one, imagine that you have to stay alone in a small tent for 2 days and only 10 things could be taken along with. Make a list of those 10 things. So the answer is a thin mattress, 2 thick clothes, a sweater, a blanket, a torch, food that will last for 2 days without going bad, water jug, a towel, a camera, and a toothbrush. Second one, what type of roof does your house have? For which purpose is the roof used? So the answer is the roof of my house is made up of cement, grit, sand, and iron. We use the roof to dry clothes, grains, and jam preserves, as well as for sitting in the warm sun during winters and for sleeping on hot summer nights. Third one, during winter, Tashi and his family live on the ground floor. Why do they do so? So the answer is Tashi's house had no windows on the ground floor. Since there were no windows, the ground floor stays warm. Due to this, Tashi and his family live on the ground floor during winter. Fourth one, for what do the people of Tashi's village use the roofs of their houses? So the answer is the people of Tashi's village use the roofs of their houses to dry red chilies, fruits like orange and pumpkins, grains like corn and paddy, as well as to dry cow dung cakes. Fifth one, why do the Changpas take their goats to very high and cold places for grazing? So the answer is the higher and colder the place, the longer and the softer is the fur of the goats. The famous Pashmina shawls made from this hair is the livelihood for the Changpas. This is why the Changpas take their goats to higher and colder places for grazing. Now sixth one, state the main places of Gaurav Jani's journey. So the answer is Gaurav Jani started out from Mumbai and reached Delhi. From there he went to Manali, Ladakh, Leh and Changthang. Then he reached Srinagar via Kargil. From Srinagar he went to Jammu and from there he returned to Mumbai. Seventh one, which things did Gaurav Bhai carry with him for the journey? So the answer is Gaurav Bhai carried a small tent to stay in, a sleeping bag, a plastic sheet, warm clothes and food that would remain fresh for some days. He also took his camera and extra cans of petrol, etc. with him for the journey. Now we'll continue with question number 7. Answer is asked. First one, how do different animals relate to your life? Give 5 examples. So the answer is various animals relate to my life in the following ways. First one is dog. Dog is a loyal friend of a man. It guards our house. Second one, cow. Cow gives milk, cow dung cakes and other useful things to us. Religiously too, the cow is an important animal. Third one, buffalo. The buffalo is also an important source of milk for man. We make curds, buttermilk, butter and ghee from milk. Fourth one, ox or bull. These are useful in farming and for pulling an ox or bullock cart. Oxen are used in many places to pull out water from deep wells. Fifth one is sheep. Sheep give us wool. The warm clothes made from sheep's wool protect us from cold weather. Second question is, do sheep and goats need their own fur? Discuss. So the answer is yes, sheep and goats need their own fur to protect themselves from cold weather. Sheep and goats have fur naturally. This fur protects them from cold weather. Third question is, can you guess the similarities and differences in the lifestyle of the Changpas and Bakarwal people? So the similarities are, both tribes live at great heights in mountainous region. Both tribes are nomadic. They move from one place to another. And animals like goats, yaks, sheep, etc. are the livelihood of the people of both the tribes. And the differences are, the Changpas live at greater heights in the mountainous regions, whereas the Bakarwal tribe lives at comparatively lower heights. The Changpas rear special kind of goats, whereas the Bakarwal tribe rears all types of goats and sheep. The famous Pashmina shawls are made from the soft hair of these special goats. are reared by the Changpas, whereas the Bakarwal people make shawls and sweaters from the wool of the sheep. Now we'll continue with the activities. First one is collect pictures of various houses of North India and stick them in the space given below and write their names underneath. So first picture is of the kacha house, second one is for pakka house, third one is double story pakka house, fourth one is bungalow, fifth one is multi-story building, sixth one is wooden house with sloping roof, seventh also if you want you can stick house of heavy snowfall places. And then question number 2, that is find and stick the picture of a yak which is used by the Changpas for carrying their goods. So you just need to stick the picture and don't need to write anything for that. Third question is join the dots to complete the picture. So a picture of a house is given for the first question. You just need to join the dots and complete the picture. And the second picture is of a tent. So in that also you just need to join the dots and make the complete picture. Now the HOTS question are: first one, what is the high, dry, cold and flat region that Gaurav Jani saw in Leh known as? So the answer is cold desert. Second one, which fruit set out to dry did the travelers see on the other roof from the roof of Tashi's house? So the answer will be the pumpkins and oranges. There is no option like that, so you can change any of the options and write pumpkins and oranges. Third one, of which state is Mumbai the capital? So the answer is option number C, Maharashtra. Fourth one, which is the famous lake of Srinagar? So the answer is Dal Lake. And here we come to the end of the chapter, that is Shelter High. I hope you have understood the complete chapter, and if you have any doubts you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video.